Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, welcome. It's me, Tasha. Today's video is gonna be what's in my bag video, final year students edition. But before that, I just want to tell you that I left some stuff that I usually bring to classes in my college room, because I left my college in such a short notice due to the movement restriction order. So I might replace with a photo or anything that I have in my room. Okay, let's jump right on into this video. So the first thing in this video is obviously gonna be the bag. I got a new bag this year and I am so obsessed with the bag. This is the bag. This is actually a multi-purpose canvas bag that I got from Sometimes by Asian Designer. I will link that down in the description box below in case you guys are interested to buy. And what is amazing that I got my name personalized here. Tasha. It is so cool, well, at least for me. And it has 5 compartments, 1 compartment with zip, 2 large compartments, and 2 side pockets. It is also water repellent, which is great because I always spill the tea. You know what I mean? Okay, since I am a final year student, I don't have a lot of class, but I do go to the lab every single day, even during weekend. And if I have classes during the day, I will bring my notebook, and I only will be using 1 notebook for every lecture. I left my notebook in my college room, so this is what I have in my room right now. I only use 1 notebook and write every single lecture in this notebook, because this way I can keep everything in one place and it is very convenient. And sometimes I just color code it just to make it easier if I want to make revision letter. And if I don't have class during the day and obviously I have to go to the lab, I'll bring this organizer or folder or file, whatever you call it, and I put all of my 96 well plate template in this folder just for me to do seeding and treatment. I also put the previous studies article in this folder, and I just can like read it when I need it. This is like the previous study article, and I also put some A4 paper for me to do the sketch and calculations. And yeah, if you guys are interested to know about the final year project that I am working on, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I will do like a separate video for that. So yeah, the next thing that I bring in my bag is my lab book. I write everything in here. This is what I wrote so far. Like, I literally put everything that comes in my mind in this book. And when I get back to my room, I will rewrite everything in my actual lab book. So this is how it looks like. If I have meeting with my supervisor, I will write that down as well. And also all the materials and apparatus that I use in the lab, and also the procedure. I will put it everything here. This is the 96 well plate that I have in my folder. I'll paste it in my book. I also do some of the calculation in this book. I will rewrite every single calculation in this book. So this is the result of my final year project. And I don't bring my laptop to the faculty unless the class requires us to bring it, but sometimes I still don't because it is so heavy and I just so lazy. Next is this pencil case. I just have some pen in here, some pencils, some highlighters, and 1 correction tape. I don't have a ruler. I just use my student cards. Next is I have my friend's water bottle. I got it online from Cotton On. And yes, it is big because I drink water a lot. You guys can ask my friend how many times I have to get up and go to the toilet in 1 lecture, because I drink like a lot of water every single day. You guys should too. Make sure you guys drink a lot of water every single day. And yeah, the next thing that I will bring in my college bag is a calculator, because I do a lot of calculations in my lab, so I really need this. The next thing that I have is this bag, a makeup bag. I put all of my micellar water. If you guys haven't watched my skincare routine, I will link the video somewhere here. And I also bring a cotton pad, my favorite BB cream, and lip tint, and also a sunscreen, because I have to remove my makeup for Zoho prayer. So this is like a must. I will never leave this in my room. The next thing that I have is this one. USB and a charger because I don't like bringing power bank in my bag because I think it's kind of heavy and I'm so lazy to charge it the night before. My lab also have the plug, and we also have plugs in our lecture hall, so this is enough. Okay, the next thing that I bring is a lotion because my hand can be very drying throughout the day and I don't like it, so I'll bring my lotion with me. The next thing that I have is of course my phone. I cannot live without this, of course. The next thing that I have is of course a purse. This is from Charles & Kate. I've been using this for years now. And yeah, this is my purse. I have my purse in my bag. The next thing that I bring in my college bag is this just a regular purse that I put my coins and also all of my cards, my student cards, touch and go, what is this, commuter link, my college card and my student cards. And I also put some coins in it just in case I need to refill my water at the library. Comment down below if you guys UKM students refill your water at the library, because everyone does that. So I have some coins. I used to use a card holder, but my card holder is not in a good shape anymore, so I switched to this small pouch. This is from Brown Buffalo. Yeah. And my bag is of course a college room keys. I will never leave this in my room, otherwise I will have to call the fellow and I'll be like, hello Puan, I left my kunci in my room, so I need you to come and pass the extra kunci or whatever. And they will be like, okay, I'll be in the college for another 1 hour. I was like, what? And I will also bring some snacks in case I get hungry during the day or in the lecture. I will eat this. This is my favorite snacks. It's oat crunch in dark chocolate. I love this very much. You guys should try this if you a student. The next thing I bought, this is so random, I don't know why. It's a glove because I am doing cell culture for my FYP. Like, we have to wear glove every single work that we do in the lab so that our cell culture wouldn't get contaminated and stuff like that. And I cannot live without this. I have to listen to the song every morning, like to boost up my mood. And I just don't want to interact with people, so that I just plug it in and don't talk to me. Next, I also bring some tissue that I took from the cafe. I'm so sorry, Machi. Next thing that I bring is some fragrant mist because I don't want to get smelly throughout the day. And this is my favorite fragrant mist. It's from the Body Shop. It's called Japanese Cherry Blossom. I love cherry blossom so much. I have body mist from Bath and Body Works in cherry blossom as well, and it's my ultimate favorite. The next thing that I bring is this one. This is actually a container for sanitizer, but the sanitizer is finished already, so I replaced it with my antibacterial soap, hand wash, so that I can wash my hand regularly, or I can wash it after I eat my lunch so that my hand wouldn't smell. So this is a must. So the last thing that I bring in my college bag is this antibacterial wet wipes. You know, I just bring it in my bag just in case I have to sanitize the surfaces that I'm gonna touch, or yeah. So that seems to be the end of this video, and thank you so much you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video and watch all of my YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe, I'm begging you guys. Just subscribe, click the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.